any magnets? Ah, it's metal. My head stuck to it.
Must be that metal plate. Wait. Alright, we're on the train. We got our ticket.
I think they keep that closed to keep the warm air in, so much close it.
I do believe it.
You filming?
I'm filming. Sorry, folks. I don't want to fall down. I've been real accident prone lately. Anyways, enough about me.
So these are different people that donated money, it looks like. Oh no, this is in memory of people that are no longer with us.
That potentially donated.
Oh, look at that. They got some old luggage up in the luggage rack.
That's cute. For ambiance.
Shoes off seats, please. Why would people put shoes?
That's just mean.
People weren't spanked enough.
Okay, that's cool. So we could face either direction. I kind of like the temperature in here, to be honest with you. But if you want to be warmer,
yeah, we might go back to the back car. It's kind of chilly.
it is. Well, I like chili. There's the chili beans,
Wow.
chili dogs.
This is pretty cool.
Yo.
This is old school. Look at the top, man.
Oh my god, I know. I love this. It's like a candy. It's gorgeous. I love the lights. The lights are.
Look at the cool looking cupboards. This is probably a bathroom one time.
I'll check it out. Beach resilience.
I think we're done. Right? No?
Oh, we might be trapped. This way.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Forgot to pull.
I love this. Is this other place to keep luggage, I wonder?
No, probably
For
not.
locker
That's probably
storage?
for the people that run the place.
Probably. Ways for them to keep stores. Door is not to be opened at any time. It's the emergency door. Now what you?
Wow, this is cool. It's all blue.
Oh, it's beautiful.
This is like
one.
a sky car. Oh, there's a heater in this one. They said if you want to plug it in. I think they said we want to have our own car.
Why don't we?
Have our own car.
We could do some more. So much more that way. We can say whatever we want and not be shy.
Yeah. Okay. I'll go in front. Still. Okay. You can film my butt.
I'm not filming your butt.
Okay. I like the blue. The blue is so cool.
I love the blue. This is my favorite car so far. Is this the end car? Do we get to go in the Tillamook car?
No, this is it. The choo-choo engine is the next one.
Oh, that's the cheese car. The cow car. I should try to film the engine.
Oh, I wonder where number 2's at.
I don't know.
Maybe it's in the garage. Do not enter. Employees only. It is a bathroom. How cool. Wow. Bathroom.
That's rock on.
And that is the engine. Hi, engine.
Nice. There it is. I know it smells kind of fumey out here.
Yeah, I can smell it. Trust me. This is ancient.
Love it. It's almost like a dining car. That's what it feels like.
Yeah, I think this is not the original seating and tables.
Oh, yeah. It's just really cool. So they're all, okay, yeah, they're like anchored down, the tables.
It's like a bunch of dock. I guess that's where all the guys come in and bring their fish in every morning.
Yeah, I like it.
It's like, how do you even get out there? And this is all just for boat?
Looks like it, yeah.
But I see cars way out there.
Yeah, I guess.
You go out there later, check it out, see what they got out there.
Yeah, we'll go check it later, folks. It's a good view of the train already.
Well, this car was built as a sleeping car.
Oh.
Wow.
And the Great Northern Railroad never bought any lightweight baggage cars. They just cut the top off something and made one.
Oh, wow.
So this was probably put in the 40s.
Wow.
The earliest, I'd say.
Different era, or just a different type of car.
Right, but it kind of feels like you're in a different space and time for each car.
Yeah.
Like they're different generations.
Yeah, I think the seating and tables is something that's been added on. I don't think it's original, obviously.
It's nice and warm in here.
Maybe we should photobomb these people taking pictures right now.
That's kind of what we're doing.
I need to do the peace sign.
Okay, you're funny.
So we're going to have people on the train with us, it looks like, coming on right now.
I think so.
So now we should probably pick one of the cars with no one in so we can talk and
That'd be nice.
do all kinds of stuff.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna go pick a car.
I want to stand on the back of the train. Can we stand on the back of the train?
Yeah.
Where we're going? Oh, cool.
So you can't stand back there?
I know.
Huh.
Maybe he sits here when he drives the train backwards.
Maybe. Probably. Pretty cool. All right, we got our tickets. We just heard the train horn, the 5-minute warning.
Yep.
Taking off soon.